Hi. Okay, so first thing with shampoo is you've got your wet hair. Honestly, that is all the amount of shampoo that I use. Really work to emulsify, get your hands looking like that. And then you just kind of gently use the pads of your finger to kind of massage in your hair like this. You don't want to take all your hair, pile it up, and really scrub. That's bad for frizz. So you just kind of almost think about you're giving your scalp like a little mini massage or like a little mini hair scratch. So you just kind of work it through like that, really focusing on the scalp. You don't really need to get it too much into your roots. So I do kind of like that, swoop back. Your first wash is not going to get a ton of lather, and that is okay because it's really just getting that first layer of grime off. So once you get it pretty worked through, you go ahead and let it sit for 2 minutes and then rinse. Okay, and then second shampoo, you use about the same amount of nickel to a quarter size. For me, that's all I need, and that's good. Emulsify on your hands again. Now this time, it's going to lather a whole lot better because it can actually penetrate to your scalp and get to the actual inner layers of your hair and really start to heal the damage from the inside out. So you can already see there's just that much more lather with it and suds. You can hear it's actually making that soapy lather sound. So I do the same thing using the pads of my fingers to massage it into my hair. I kind of like to comb it back like this. Make sure you're getting underneath your neck really well too. And just massage it in until you feel like you've got it all over. Again, let sit for 2 minutes and then rinse out. Okay, once you've got shampoo rinsed really well, it's time for conditioner. So again, you only need a nickel to quarter size amount. For me, I'm kidding you not, this is all I need conditioner wise. So you emulsify on your hands just like everything. And this one, then you just really want to focus in on the ponytail. So I wring all the dripping wetness out of my hair so it's damp, not sopping wet. And I'm just running all the conditioner through my hair like this. Some people find it's nice if you bring comb into the shower, then you can comb it through easily that way. I just like to do this. If you deal with greasy scalp, avoid putting it on your scalp at all. I don't have that issue, so I just like to give one kind of run over like that. Then I just kind of gather almost like I'm putting it in a ponytail. Just keep running my fingers through it that way. And then depending on what type of conditioner you're using, the directions will tell you to let it sit for anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes. So just read the label, depends on which conditioner you've grabbed. And then you just need to rinse really well. A couple other random tips is shake the product before you use it because sometimes some of the ingredients separate in the bottle, and so by shaking it, you'll make sure you get all the good parts all the time. Another tip is if you have hard water, you might have to shampoo 3 times before you get to the conditioning part. And last, another tip is really make sure to rinse super well, especially the shampoo, but also the conditioner. You don't want any leftover product kind of just hanging out in your hair that way because that's how the grease and the buildup can happen as well, which is kind of weird because I always thought you were supposed to leave like some of the conditioner in your hair, but rinsing really well will allow the ingredients to do everything that they are supposed to do.